abebembezi b'Eirwariro batandikire kunywana romo bakukurwa mu matendekero g'abakugukurwa mu mahanga gaheru kandi ekigenderire kuhangusya obuherezo mu Eirwariro.
Abantu aba bareba ngo n'ekintu kikuru kwija aho Eirwariro hange rya Mbarara Referral Hospital kugira ngo bakarye begereho or to use it as maybe a learning experience or a learning facility.
So when they came, we gave them some presentations in line with what they had come for. They wanted to get a brief history about this hospital.
Abeji b'itendekero rya University of Manchester bwahata bari mu rutaya ya Eirwariro okutunga obukugu hamwe no gukora okucondoza habuhereza bw'Eirwariro.
And so my question is, what are the factors, in your opinion, what are the factors as to why other hospitals or other health facilities haven't been able to achieve that? Or what are the unique factors that this hospital has been able, why it's been able to kind of increase specialized staff?
The second question is related to the impact of decentralization on the system. So as far as I understand, you have improvements when it comes to treatment in general. So would you say that these improvements in infrastructure and treatments are due to decentralization?
Omugambirizi w'Eirwariro Hawson Kagure nagira ngo n'orutambwe ruhango omu rugendo rw'okutungura obuheereza Eirwariro.
Abawaza ari haruguru twine ekyombeko ky'amaani ekituri kweta ngu ne research and histopathology laboratory ekyayombekirwe ekiri donation y'abajungu y'Abamerika aba USAID.
Omuganda makora abantu abarikutura n'oburema ha mibiri yabo nibenda gavumenti okwiha omushoro aha bintu ebi barikukoresa nk'obugari, enkoni z'empumi hamwe n'ebindi bintu. Ebi babigambira omu mushomo ogumazire ebiro bishatu aha itendekero ry'abarema erya Ruto Rehabilitation Center ogutebeekanisibwa aba Hours Ruharo.
Omuremo wira okwotamureeba okwoshangana turwoku konka ati ntusima gavumenti kakugira ekyabaho buzima batweta batuteeka omu gurupu z'abatari barema nitwe twejoyinga n'abandi
tukabitisha gavumenti kugira ngo atesite ebintu ebikukozesibwa omu magara g'abarema nka white canes, enkoni z'okutambuza, obugari babiha omushomo kuyakozire aha motoka.
Omushomo ogu gubire gugenderire kushongora abebembezi b'ebigombe by'abarema.
Hariho gurupu nyingi omu byaro byaitu reka kugenda wenka reba ngo waba mu gurupu erikora ebintu ebirikubaasa okureta entasya ninga okureta empinduka omu maka gitu.
yakora research yacondoza ngo abanki ebina byona bizire kutandikaho encourage abanki project ko kwaho nabo buho bubiri.
Aha bwa TV West nde era akiza.